Alright, we are on day 2 of racing on our race weekend in late October, or mid-October. We had a no prep shutdown race yesterday with the white car, which, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, that thing was fun as shit, but man, that was really hard to get on down the track. So got some changes we need to do to the white car to be able to handle a surface like that. I got some big hitters today: Brian Crane, Corey Binks, Tyler Garlock. So today's race isn't a no prep 8th mile, it's actually a prep quarter mile. So 3-pedal throwdown, you guys see me do. I'm gonna race in the street division again, even though I kind of gave it away last time. I could have won the street division, and I was on a good 599 pass and decided to keep stay into it, and gave up the winner to Dylan, but well deserved. But today we're looking to get a little bit of the end of the season runs out of the white car, try to get some, you know, 950 index. So let me explain something to you. Today is going to be an index, so I can't go any faster than 950. And with us changing the weight of the car, we don't know what's going to happen to that. So we got to bring the power down quite a bit. So this guy right here, I want to give a special shout out to Cody, because we were racing kayaks last night.
What's up, man? Yeah, racing kayaks for sure. Pedal fest for
So
sure.
what happened to your car?
Same deal, just got out and then all over the place.
Yeah, I don't think I hooked the second, third the whole night.
Yeah.
I don't think I even went into fourth the whole night. And I even test passed to try to figure it out.
I seen you making the test pass.
Shit. So that's how you learn.
You brought the white car, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to get the black car, but you know what? I just didn't. All right, we're here in the lead with old famous Tyler Garlock. Got Brian Crane, Corey Binks, Tom Millwellen. So we're gonna make a test pass. Got Mike Niehaus in the house. A lot of stick shift racers here today. And this is all 3-pedal throwdown. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys already know. My man Tom right here running the business. So we're gonna have a good time, man. I think we got 20 racers, 15 or 20 racers, something like that. So we got an outlaw class, which, you know, with Niehaus and Corey Binks. So we had a really good light for the most part. You can see we went a 39 at 145, 608. I have one turn in my boost controller. You know, that's not even 11 pounds. This car is tuned at 16 or 17, so probably could have ran the outlaw class with everybody, but that's really wicking the car up and making it work. So I think I'm just going to make 950 work for me today. Maybe try to win some money, have a little bit of fun with some of my friends or whatever. So Tyler Garlock, he won an 865 in the outlaw class. If you guys don't know who Tyler Garlock is, he's also went many rounds in the no prep last night too. So the car's dialed in, and it's Mopar scat motor with a turbo in a Ford Mustang. That's Shop Cat as well. Shop Cat Performance, if you don't know who that is. So check him out. Look him up on Instagram.
Right back there, I can't see scoreboards at all.
All right, so we're at the driver meeting here at the 3-pedal throwdown at the Big 3 rental. Corey's just pulling up. Got a nice crew of people. Tom, let me see that board. We've got a nice little turnout here. I'd like to see more outlaws here, guys.
Hell yeah.
I want to see more 8-second stick. you know about rolling down?
Nothing.
It's my fault.
It's all right, man.
It's kind of my.
We will be back.
You will be.
And I will be getting that front plate.
I'll make you a channel.
All right. This is Alan Garrett.
I see it. I see it. You got a channel. You got an Instagram and a channel, don't you?
I do. Dude, I've had my YouTube since like 2002.
Really? I keep telling him, just put your stuff in there, man. Just
I'm gonna get a little more serious with it.
all right.
Corey.
We got a Cody.
Number that is. Jack is out.
Corey.
Oh, okay. You're there. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna do the chip draw, the random pairings. Ready when you guys are.
I'll go last.
I was already late.
You got one first round.
I'll still be in bed. Sweet. What's car number? Yeah, 235. Threes. Give me the 3L.
3L, 235.
What's car number? I don't know.
All right, so we're heading up for round 1 of eliminations. Hopefully I don't get eliminated like I did last night, but yeah, we got a really big crowd here today. So what I think this is actually a Big 3 rental. It's like it's called Digapalooza. Big 3 Racing puts it on every year. It's a really cool event. They always have a stick shift, small tire, big tire class. I always enjoy coming to these. Stay tuned. All right, so I drew the red nitrous fireman. He was at no prep last night, did pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get on down the track nice and safe. Same tune-up that we just went 939. So this time I got Jeff McCool with the Coyote 2. Got put on the trailer by Jeff McCool. You guys know who this guy is. Had a really good light. It was a great race.
That was a great race.
That was, I mean, I seen his car leave and I'm like, I hope there's a red bulb for me.
When I left, I was looking for the red because I always look for the red, and it's like, oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
What was the light?
Oh, 08. Yeah. I'll show you guys a ticket later. He's taking on Cody Hartman for what is it, 800 or 900 bucks? 1,000, 800, 900?
I don't know if it's that much.
It's something 7 or 8. It's a good stack of cash, and Cody's got the car no prep that we raced yesterday. He's changing some shock settings, changing some tire pressure, and he's got one monster ass, was it 427? 427 Pro Charged Mustang. So me and Tyler Garlock, I'm gonna go ahead and get down. I got it wicked up, ready to go. All right, here we go. Hail Mary pass and all that is good to be. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos of me stick shift racing and trying to you know, bring a little bit of content to the channel with racing the white car. She's definitely quick. I'm very happy with the way it's been performing lately. We're going to continue in doing our tweaks and tunes and our weight reduction to it to kind of get things to fall where I want them to. So big shout out to the winners of the stick shift classes. Big shout out to the guys on the no prep. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Hit that like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check out that join button if you'd like to donate to the channel. But outside of that, see you guys soon in the next video.